mountain winds I hear thy voice. It stirs the cedar tall, a whisper wrapped in sacred choice that bids my soul to call. The ridges hum with holy sound, the pines begin to sway. Thy breath upon the hallowed ground speaks grace in light of day. The eagle soars on wings of prayer, the brook begins to sing, creation bows beneath thy care and worships thee as King. Thy spirit moves in unseen ways, like wind upon the hill. It calls the heart to trust and praise, to seek thy perfect will. Oh Lord of wind and sky and storm, thy mercy rides the breeze. In solitude I'm not alone, thy presence grants me peace.